Morning, children. I hope that by the grace of God, you all are good. Today, we will going to study English literature. Okay? Children, take out the roots English literature. Okay? Chapter 3, page number 54. See? Number 3. Fill in the blanks in the given poem using either an or a. See, I wore dash hat, warm socks and dash orange sweater because there was dash cold wind blowing. It was bad weather. The wind picked up dash leaf, dash flower and dash excel and blew them away. I think that this was dash friend that wanted to play. So, I write the answer, follow me. Number 3, fill in the blanks. I wore dash hat, warm socks and dash orange sweater. Because there was cold wind blowing. It was bad weather. Okay. The wind picked up a leaf. Flowers and excel. And blew them away. So I think that this was friend that wanted to play. So children, fill in the blanks in the given poem using either an or a. So I wore a hat. Vowel a hat, warm socks and you see orange O. So you write here an sweater because there was cold. used. A. Cold wind blowing. It was bad. Not had. Bad weather. The wind picked up a leaf, a flower, and excel. And blew them away. I think that this was a friend that wanted to play. Okay, next, magic words before the task. What will they say in these situations? Listen to the situations. Choose the correct replies and write them under each picture. See the picture. Congratulations. Excuse me. I am so sorry. Thank you. So first picture, thank you. Second picture, I am sorry. Third, excuse me. And fourth, congratulations. Okay, children. This is activity. So do it on your own. Next, pronunciation, capital letter and full stop. Can you complete this sentence? My name is. You know your name, so you write here your own name. My name is. I live in. Where you live? So write here. Dankuni. Did you use capital letters to begin the words in the blank? Capital letters are used to begin sentences. Names of people are names of places. A full stop is used at the end of a sentence. Okay? So begin sentence, names or people and names of places. A full stop is used end of a sentence. Number 2, Wind has written a note to the sun, but he has forgotten to put full stops and capital letters. Help the sun read the note by correcting it. Dear son. So I write here. Follow me, children. First, capital letter. Dear son. I is capital letter. I am very sorry that I fought with you. You is capital letter U. Okay. You are my friend and friends should not fight with each other. Stop, full stop. Please meet me at Cloud C capital Hill at 5 p.m. Okay. Today. So right here, please meet me at Cloud Hill at 5 p.m. today. Okay. So that I can say sorry to you. I will wait for you there. Full stop. Wind. Wind, W is capital letter. Wind. So children, I hope that everyone understood. So practice. Okay. So children, practice whatever I taught to you. Bye bye.